Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today in this brand new video, I want to show you how you can easily download BitPay wallet app in your iOS device. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. First of all, make sure your device is connected to your internet. You have your iPhone or iPad and head towards the App Store, which is a familiar blue icon app, and in the search bar you can just type in BitPay wallet. In the search result, various options will appear. You can just click on this icon, which is a BitPay Bitcoin wallet and card with the B blue icon. Okay, finally we are here, and let's click on get so that the download process get started. It may ask you for the ID verification, either with the Face ID or the Touch ID. Verify your identity, and here you go. The process has been started. It may take few minutes, and finally the app has been installed. We can open it and enjoy using our BitPay wallet. Thank you so much for watching video till the end, guys. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to all so that you never miss any updates. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I will see you guys again in our next. Have a nice day.